So choosing the right software for your digital business, automation, integration, flexibility is so important. But navigating software can be daunting, especially for digital business owners who are new to the process. It's important to have an understanding of your software needs and evaluate your company's current needs and create a strategy around acquiring the software that will best suit your business. So the first step in understanding the software needs is to take an inventory of what you currently use. Make a list of all of those things, and then make a note of the type of license it has. Also identify any features the software is lacking. Knowing that you already have really help you to make the best informed decision in your new purchase. The next step would be then consider what type of software your business needs. This will depend on your industry and specific functions that you need the software to perform. For example, if you're a web design business, you might need a software for graphic design, web page building, and content management. It's important to prioritize the features you need to make sure the software you choose has them. So once you've identified those needs and what the type of software is that you're looking into getting into, you want to look at vendors, a couple of them. Compare their offering. Make sure to check out their customer support. That is so important and can be a very frustrating experience if not handled well. Many softwares have free trials, and they can be as long as 14 days. So it gives you an opportunity to really see how it performs and how you like it. What's the experience going to be like, And it gives you time to research more software. You want to check out exactly what is in your budget. Software all the time is becoming less and less expensive. So you really want to pay attention and see, do I really need all the bells and whistles? Do I need to pay the biggest price? Or can I start out with the free trial, move to the basic, and then move up as my needs increase? You really want to look at those additional features and make sure that there isn't something in a higher version that you really, really need. So you want to consider if you want to purchase a one-time license or if you want a subscription-based model. Most people are subscription-based, but I do find that if you pay, even on a subscription, upfront annual fee, you can save as much as 2 months of the monthly fee. When you're choosing your software for your business, it is so crucial to remember that you're trying to optimize your operations, meaning that you want to increase your productivity, making yourself scalable, and you want to stay competitive. So here's some key considerations I feel that you should make when making this decision. Understand your business needs. So you identify your specific business process and requirements. Consider the areas where automation, integration, and flexibility are most critical for improving efficiency and effectiveness. Scalability. Choose software that can scale with your business as it grows. Ensure the software can handle increased data volume, user load, and additional features without significant performance issues, otherwise known as bandwidth. So integration capabilities. Look for software that offers robust integration capabilities. And there's a product called Zapier that if they don't have one that integrates, like let's say between some software and QuickBooks, you can use Zapier to create an integration. It's pretty amazing. You want to ensure that there's already compatibility with existing systems. Make sure they've already set up the syncing, and consider potential for future integrations with these third-party applications such as a Zapier. So automation features. When you look at automation features and capabilities in a software, look for tools that are easy to use but that can automate repetitive tasks, workflows, and business processes. Things that you're doing over and over and don't change or have minimal changes in them. So consider the ease of creating and managing what they call automated workflows without extensive software coding knowledge. So customization and flexibility. So you want to choose software that allows for customization to meet your unique business requirements. Evaluates the flexibility of software and adapting to changes in your business processes. User-friendly interface. You want to opt for software that has an intuitive and user-friendly interface that will really help facilitate user adoption. So training requirements really should be minimal, allowing employees to quickly become proficient with the software. Nothing's more frustrating than trying to learn it, not understanding it, it not working over and over because they didn't clearly describe something. Security and compliance. Prioritize software solutions that adhere to industry security standards and compliance requirements. Consider encryption, access controls, data protection features to safeguard sensitive information, cloud versus on-base premises. Accessing whether a cloud-based or on-base premises solution is more suitable for your business. Cloud-based solutions do provide flexibility, scalability, and accessibility, while on-premise solutions offer more control over data and security because you're the one doing it. You're not giving that responsibility to the software vendor. Now, remember, vendor reputation and support is important too. You want to research the reputation of those software vendors. Consider customer reviews, testimonials, vendors' track record in providing ongoing support and updates. Cost consideration. Evaluate the total cost of ownership, including upfront costs, ongoing subscription fees, and potential customization expenses. Considering the return on investment, commonly known as your ROI, and the value that software brings to your business. Does it allow you to handle more data, more responsibilities without adding additional staff? Meaning, is it going to give you productivity gains? Communication and collaboration features. So by accessing those kinds of features in your software, especially if your business relies on teamwork and real-time information sharing, is important. Future proofing. You're going to want to try to choose software that is adaptable to future technology advancements. Because as we know, everything's changing quickly all the time. Consider whether the software provider regularly updates its platform to incorporate new features and technologies. And like I mentioned before, take advantage of those trial or pilot programs to test the software in a real business environment before making that final decision. So remember, the best software for your digital business depends on your specific needs and goals. Take the time to thoroughly evaluate options. Seek input from the relevant stakeholders in your organization and choose a solution that aligns with your best strategy and growth plans. If you can, see if you can find people that already use that software. Go into chat rooms, go into like Facebook, go into Alignable and LinkedIn, and ask the question, what are you using for XYZ? What software would you recommend? And what software would you not recommend? So those can be helpful for you as well. So good luck, and remember that the best software for your digital business really depends on your doing the due diligence in finding out what's out there, how expensive is it meeting my needs, and is it scalable and increasing my productivity.